Hello, little friends. Welcome back to Pip's little world. What did Pip find today? Ooh, something little and red is hiding in the leaves.
A strawberry.
That's right. It's a sweet little strawberry.
Strawberry. STRWBERRY.
Let's cut it open and see inside. Look, tiny seeds. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The strawberry is red, sweet, and juicy.
Yummy. Strawberries are sweet and juicy.
Did you know? A strawberry wears its little seeds on the outside.
Bye-bye, strawberry.
What will Pip find tomorrow? See you next time. Bye-bye.